What's up, you guys? Man, I've been so backlogged on my videos that I'm shooting them all back to back today. So bear with me, will you? I've just woken up and brushed my teeth, man. What's up? How have you been? How's things going on with you? It's been a while since I've actually made a video, or maybe it's not. It just feels like a while. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, and if you like the contents of the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. My latest pickup, although yet another Jordan 1, like you can tell from the title, is actually the first women's release Jordan 1 that I picked up for myself and hit the raffle at amongst few. Speaking of which, I had hit this t-shirt as well, and my friend Varuna picked this up for me in Dubai. Yeah, I got this in a size XL, but I think it should fit me because I've been home picking out like it's nobody's business. Enough of all of that. Let me bring out the hero, or do I say the heroine? The hero of today's video, reversed or flipped Jordan 1 box. Like you know, the other Jordan 1 boxes are right here. It's black with the red Nike branding, but this one's the red with the black Nike branding. Lifting the lid open. You know, when I hit the raffle, actually I didn't know how to feel about the pair, but then when I got it in hand, man, it's quite nice. It's quite nice. The Jordan 1 Lucky Green. Hold up. Okay, there you have it. So this sneaker comes with 3 lace options. One is, as you can see, black laces are already on the pair. And then as you can see, you have this green and red lace as an option. But I think I'm gonna stick with black. And the reason I was excited about this pair is because I was actually planning to go to Dubai in December. And I thought it had a very Christmas vibe to it, you know. I know it's the Boston Celtics and all of that, but look at that. You can't tell me this doesn't remind you of Candy Cane. Anyway, so this sneaker is a women's exclusive, right? Or a women's sized sneaker. It wasn't made for men. So as you know, I wear a UK 8, which is actually a US 9. So in terms of sizing, if you guys are wondering how to size your feet, you go up 1.5, right, in your US sizing. So I'm a US 9, therefore I would need a US 10.5, which is what I hit, as you can see right there. I got a 10.5, which makes it a women's 10.5 is 1.5 over a man's sizing. So a US 9 makes it a US 10.5, and therefore it becomes a UK 8. I hope I've been able to answer that question. If you're still confused, just drop a comment and I'll help clarify that for you. And getting back to the sneaker, this is, I think, designed by an all-women's team. The color blocking and the treatment, the materials and all of that. So there's an all-women's team, which is also why I was super excited. And sorry, it's just still sleepy and my eyes are itchy. And man, I just love the attention to detail. So let's go through the sneaker. So an all black outsole. This kind of aged creamish midsole. You can see how the mid panel is white right there, and this is kind of cream or sail-like. I love that. The leather on this pair is so soft and nice. It feels just so good to the touch. In terms of comparison, the last Jordan 1 that I got was a mocha, and I'd say this leather is better than the mocha, although it's not as glossy as the mocha. If you see right here, it's all very matted out leather all throughout the shoe. It's not glossy like the toe box in the mocha, but man, this is a nice soft. It's so soft to the touch. I don't know if it's buttery or they use a different material. I don't know. A black nylon tongue, and an interesting thing about all of these green panels is that they haven't been sewn on. Let me actually bring another Jordan 1 out. Right, so I have the midnight navy on me. You see how these panels are all flush? They've been stitched. And the stitch line is at the very edge of the panel, so it doesn't pull out. All through the sneaker, all the navy bits are all stitched flush, right? They left a bit of the leather right there. The stitch is not at the very edge, so they've left these loose ends. And especially the lace eyelets. This has a very dunk high vibe to it, you see. Or the roti, but the roti went all the way up back there. This one's got a very dunk vibe, and the same thing carries on to this lower eyelet too. Man, so I like this. It's not like really a deconstructed look, but I like whatever they've done with it. Probably the one thing that I'm not a big fan of on this pair is the swoosh, because it's a patent leather swoosh and I'm not a big fan of patent leather. I think with a nice regular black swoosh, it would have served the purpose. For those of you who don't know, the Lucky Green is based off the playoffs between the Bulls and the Boston Celtics. And I think Michael Jordan set some kind of a record. I'm not going to pretend like I know. He scored an insane amount of points against the Celtics in the 86 playoffs. And this is based on the Celtics uniform. So to celebrate the team he defeated, they designed a shoe. So you can see the Bulls shout out or dedication right here, the Nike Air, then the Bulls colorway, and I think that's what this is supposed to represent as well. And the most interesting part, which I seldom see on a Jordan 1, is the insole, man. Like they did an insole to represent a hardwood coat or a floor of a coat. Look at that. I love it because you rarely ever see anything going on with the Jordan 1 insole except for their basic color blocking. And another thing that is different with this pair is it came with a hang tag, a leather hang tag, Nike Air, and that's about it. Oh, the smell test. How could I forget? The early morning cold, you know. Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Alright, I've tried these on feet to see how they fit, and I just wanted to let you know that the sizing is just perfect, like I would say a UK 8 would fit. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. If you have, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm now gonna go on to the next video and shoot it right after this. Right, so make sure you watch that when that's uploaded. I'll see you soon, you guys. Peace.